In this video, I'll show you how to automate WhatsApp with Make.com. First, open Make.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, go to Scenarios, then click Create a new scenario. This is where you will build the automation step by step. Before adding WhatsApp, it's important to know that Make.com usually connects to WhatsApp through the WhatsApp Business Cloud API or another supported WhatsApp provider. This means you may need a Meta business account, a WhatsApp business number, and API access before the automation can work. Inside the scenario editor, click the plus button and search for WhatsApp. If you see a WhatsApp Business Cloud module, select it. Then choose the action you want, such as sending a message, sending a template message, or receiving incoming messages. Next, create the connection. Make.com may ask for details like your access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. You can usually find these inside your Meta for developers or WhatsApp business API settings. After connecting WhatsApp, configure the module. For example, if you want to send an automatic message, enter the recipient's phone number in international format, then add the message text you want to send. You can also connect WhatsApp with other apps. For example, when someone submits a Google form, Make.com can send a WhatsApp confirmation message. Or when a new order appears in Google Sheets, Make.com can notify the customer automatically. To build this, add your trigger module first, such as Google Sheets, Shopify, Airtable, or a webhook. Then add the WhatsApp module as the action. Map the customer name, phone number, order details, or message text from the first app into the WhatsApp module. When everything is ready, click Run once to test the scenario. If the test works, turn the scenario on. Always follow WhatsApp's messaging rules and only send messages to people who agreed to receive them. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.